2 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4.
I am 4. Have we met before?
Good job. Take number blocks away from 8 to leave 6. You got it.
8 minus
2 equals 6.
Fantastic. Share the number blocks evenly to make 2 groups of 5.
1 2 3.
You got it.
4 plus
1 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 equals 5. High 5.
Yes, you got it. Oh, how is 1 going to get up there?
I am 7.
I am 8. Octoblock coming through. Oh,
Take number blocks away from 10 to leave 8.
2
That's right.
10 minus 2 equals
8. Octoblock.
Yes.
This is great. Oh,
Blockzilla.
Find a smaller number.
Blockzilla. 10
You need a smaller number than that one.
is greater than
9.
6. 10 6.
That's right.
6 is less than
9.
Can you open the treasure chest by tracing the number? 9. That's right. Well done. You found the treasure. Try another adventure next. Continue. Take number blocks away from 6 to leave 3.
1 2
You got it.
6 minus 1 minus 2 equals 3. 3.
Yes. Add number blocks to make 5.
2 2 1.
That's right.
2 plus 2 plus 1 equals High five.
Yes, you got it. I think 3 might need 1's help to get past that wall.
Yeah. Ooh. 2 by 2.
Share the number blocks evenly to make 2 groups of 6.
3. 3. 3. 1.
That's right.
3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 6. 6 equals 6. 6.
Well done. I'm not so sure 4 is going to fit through there. You made it. Take number blocks away from 7 to leave 2.
4.
1
Correct.
7 minus
4 minus
1 equals 2. 2.
Okay, good job.
Yum yum. I'm Big Tum.
Find the missing number to reveal who's inside Big Tum's tum.
6 5
Yum.
3 2
Yum yum. Who's in my tum? 4.
You cracked it.
4 was in my tum. Yum yum. Well done.
6 5
4.
3 2
I'll be back.
Can you open the treasure chest by tracing the number? 2. You solved it. Well done. You found the treasure. Try another adventure next. Continue. Take number blocks away from 8 to leave 1.
5 2
You solved it.
8 minus
5 minus 2 equals 1.
Great. Add number blocks to make 6.
3 2
You've got too much there.
2
Try a smaller number.
2 3 2
You cracked it.
2 plus 2 plus 2 equals equals 6.
I am 6 in the mix.
Share the number blocks evenly to make 2
5.
groups of 8.
2,
1.
4, 4,
That's right.
4 plus 4 equals 8.
5 plus
2 plus
1 equals
8. 8 equals 8. I am 8.
Fantastic. Oh, how is 1 going to get up
I
there?
am 7.
I am 8. Octoblock coming through. Oh,
Take number blocks away from 10 to leave 8.
2,
You cracked it.
10 minus
2 equals
8. Octoblock.
Yes.
This is great. Oh,
Find a smaller number.
Zilla. Me Blockzilla.
4,
That's right.
4,
Is less than 5.
Can you open the treasure chest by tracing the number? 7. That's right. Well done. You found the treasure. Try another adventure next. Continue. Take number blocks away from 8 to leave 5.
7.
That doesn't seem right. Keep trying.
1.
2
Correct.
8 minus
1 minus
2 equals
5. High 5.
Yes, you got it. Add number blocks to make 4.
2, 2,
1. 1.
You got it.
2 plus
1 plus 1 equals
4.
I am 4. Have we met before?
Good job. Share the number blocks evenly to make 2 groups of 7.
5.
2, 2, 2,
3.
You got it.
5 plus
2 equals
7.
2 plus 2 plus
3 equals 7. 7 equals 7. I am 7.
Great. number blocks away from 9 to leave 3.
3
You solved it.
9 minus
3 minus 3 equals 3. 3.
Yes.
Yum, yum! There's someone in my tum!
Find the missing number to reveal who's inside Big Tum's tum.
7 6
Yum!
4
3
Yum, yum! Who's in my tum?
5
You solved it.
5 was in my tum. Yum, yum! Well done!
7 6 5
4
3
See you next time!
I am 3. Look at me.
Can you open the treasure chest by tracing the number? 9. That's right. Well done. You found the treasure. Try another adventure next.